Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going over how to make a admin panel. Just so you guys don't get confused, this will be possibly a 2 to 3 parted series. But I am going to show you an example of what the admin panel looks like. As you can see, it can kick people, so it can be very good for moderating. Now I am going to show you its other features. There is an announcement feature. The announcement feature is having some issues with the text where you can type a lot. Now, we have a ban and unban feature, but they won't work on me since I'm whitelisted. Anyways, let's get to creating this GUI. First, start off with adding a screen GUI, then a frame inside of the screen GUI. Make sure that you follow every step I do. Now make sure the frame size is 760 by 560. I have some trouble figuring this out, but I'll speed it up. I know I am off by 1, but I fixed that later on. Now add a new frame inside of the gray frame we have, and make sure the size of the new frame we have is 380 by 560. Now you can customize the white frame as much as you'd like. I will speed up this next bit as I do it. If you want, you can make a new frame, but I prefer copying the title frame and just taking of everything and make it as I do. There you go. That's episode 1 of making the admin panel. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot, and comment down below more things you want to see from my channel. Thank you so much, have a blessed day.